Welcome back to another apartment tour. We are here in the lovely city of Frisco, Texas. So today we are checking out 4 different apartments, starting out with this first one. Here is the mailroom. It's so cute, so beautiful. But we're going to swing it back around and go to the main entrance, okay? Now this is what's impressing all your guests when they walk in. They see this beautiful little gas burning fireplace, cute lounge area. This building is just a cute vibe, and it is a Toll Brothers property. So if you've heard of them, you've probably heard of their luxury custom homes. Well, now they have moved into the apartment space, and the properties that they have are always very well decorated. So cute. Here is the pool table. Look at the lighting, it's so unique. I love it. And here we have our bar. I think the coffee machine is in here, so you can come get as many cups of coffee as you would like. Cute little seating and lounge areas. So here's our coffee machine with the flavors, of course. And I believe you can rent this out for parties. It's either this area or like the clubhouse. That's actually probably what it is. All right, so we are going to head upstairs and check out some of the apartments, starting with the 2-bedroom model.
So here is the model 2-bedroom. This is the B4, so it's one of the larger 2-bedrooms. It's nicely decorated, got the neutral finishes in here. Washer and dryer, the dry bar. And then there's room for 3 large bar stools. Have the LED under cabinet lighting and the gray light gray backsplash and like gray cabinetry. So you can fit a pretty large couch in here. You could definitely do a sectional. They just did chairs. And yeah, it's spacious. I also have the balcony, which is totally covered. Get away from that Texas sun, which can be very intense. So we're on the 2nd floor. The courtyard is right below us. This is a big balcony. Okay, so let's check out the first bedroom. So this is a king size bed. You still have room for bedside tables. So nightstands. Large window, and then we have the bathroom with his and hers sinks and mirrors. Also have the linen closet behind there and a walk-in closet. Okay, let's check out the 2nd bedroom. And by the way, if you're someone who needs a lot of storage space, there is another closet here. Love it. Bedroom number 2, so they put a smaller bed in here. Wow, it's very spacious. And then you've got your bathroom. Big mirror. This one has a tub. And a walk-in closet, of course. So much space. Okay. Thank you. So this is a studio, and it has a very unique floor plan. One great thing I love is that you have plenty of storage space. Wait until you guys see the closet, because I've never seen a studio with such a huge closet. Also has a pantry. You do not see that in a studio apartment, like, ever. Here is the LED under cabinet lighting, brand new everything. And it's already pre-wired for Wi-Fi, so internet is included here. Also have this balcony for looking where the pool will be, and 2 entries to the bedroom. Doesn't have a door, but if you're just living alone, that's not really a necessity. Here is the bathroom, which is actually very spacious. They could have made the living area bigger, but if you love a nice spacious bathroom, which I definitely do, I know a lot of us girls, we love our bath time. Okay, this closet, you do not see this in a studio. You can literally fit a bed in here, like it's that big. And then you have your washer and dryer. 8 weeks free, can't beat it.
And I couldn't leave here without getting a tour of the fitness center. This is open 24 hours a day. It also has 2 levels. We have the Stairmaster, several treadmills, a few ellipticals, a squat rack, not a Smith machine, but a squat rack. And you have your cables with adjustable handles. And we're going to head upstairs. So up here, you will find an additional amount of cardio machines as well as kettlebells, medicine balls, TRX, all that. Okay, apartment tour number 2. So we are still in Frisco. We're going to start off with a game room here. So cute, so clean, brand new. If you work from home and you want to get away from your apartment or your roommates, just come downstairs and you have your quiet spaces here. So you can bring down your laptop and just chill here. They also have additional areas if you want to be out in the open. If you want to grab a coffee or a hot chocolate, they have that with several flavors. They also have dog treats here because this is a dog friendly building, like so many other places in the DFW area. They're always dog friendly. And here is the main lobby when you first come in. Sorry, my camera's a little bit wobbly. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so let's head upstairs to the apartments.
So here is a 1-bedroom model. This is actually the smallest 1-bedroom, so they only go up from here. We have the backsplash with the LED lighting under the cabinets. Love that. And then you have these light fixtures, the tan cabinetry with the gray quartz countertops, full-size washer and dryer with space above. Love that. Room for 2 or 3 bar stools right here. And then if you like to drink wine, you got your bottles right there. So here is the living area. And this is overlooking the pool. So you have your balcony here. And this building has 4 stories, resort style pool. All right, let's check out the bathroom. Oh, I like this little mudroom area. Super cute. Here's the bedroom with a queen size bed. There's definitely room for a king, but you can probably only fit 1 bar stool unless you go up to a larger 1 bed. And here is the bathtub, shower, and walk-in closet. Oh, and there we go, linen closet.
Choice with certain things, you contact her, have her draft it for you. Yeah.
I like that. I like that. Yeah.
So here is the studio. This one's actually the smallest studio, but it's still over 600 square feet. So you actually get a lot of room for it, not even being a 1-bedroom. However, let me show you why it literally feels like a 1-bedroom. It's because you have this sliding door right here. And here's the bedroom. You also have some natural light coming in from here. You have a ceiling fan and a closet with built-ins. So if you are a shoe or bag person, then you definitely have space for that, plus your clothing. And then they all come with a washer and dryer. Love that. Plus an additional closet right here. I forgot to mention.
Okay, now we are at apartment number 3 in Frisco. This building is actually brand new and it's still under construction. At the time of filming, they were done with the gym, but not the pool. So hopefully they will be done because this was actually a few months ago. But let's go ahead and see the 1 bedroom.
Okay, all right, I'll hear you talking. Okay. So this is a 1 bedroom. This is the A2 floor plan, so the second smallest. However, it's still quite large, being over 700 square feet. You can easily fit 4 bar stools here, if not 5. This is actually very large, very spacious. Have a lot of cabinets for storage, and here we have a full-size washer and dryer, so not stackable, but literally full size. Also have this right here, the linen closet, or pantry rather. And there we have a coat closet. So you're gonna get some space in here. We are on the bottom floor. There is no carpet. Also, what I love about this one is that since we are on the bottom floor, you get a yard. So this is perfect if you have pets and you need easy access to outside. Also with the turf, it'll be clean, with the rain, and it's easy to pick up if your pets go out there. All right, so here is the bedroom. You have dual access to the bathroom from the hallway and from the bedroom. So this one has 1 sink. They do have some with his and hers sinks. And here we have the walk-in shower and walk-in closet, which is very large. I'm still adjusting.
And how long have you been down
Well, I just moved here now, so I'm just about to get in here.
here? Okay. Normally you live in a
Exactly. That's what everyone keeps saying.
Ever since we were at 22.
Okay, if you stuck around for our last apartment, this is tour number 4. Once again, a brand new building. This one prides themselves on having luxury finishes, and it's definitely one of a kind. It's a very unique property. One thing about this one is that they have the unique darker gray on the bottom. Well, it's really like a mid-tone gray, and white cabinets on the top. They also have hardwood flooring in the kitchen and living areas. They are still under construction, so they're building another one across the street. So, not sure how long that will be happening, but this area is very central. It's close to a lot of grocery stores and shops around here. So, it's a very short drive to everything. And we are heading into the bedroom. This is a 1 bedroom, by the way. And I know a lot of people who reach out to me are watching this from another state, maybe even another country. I recently had a few people from the UK that had never been to Dallas, and I helped them find apartments here by the way of videos. So the internet is a very magical tool. All right, so here we're heading into the bathroom. We have this large tub and a huge walk-in closet because closets are definitely bigger in Texas. I love that about the Dallas area for sure. And okay, so the sink, everything white and clean. Okay, so this is the 2 bedroom. When you come in, you have this mudroom area, and then you have your stackable washer and dryer with built-in shelving, so you can put all your accessories over there. This one has an entryway before coming into this lovely kitchen, once again with a gray and white. I love the pendant lighting as well. You also have a built-in desk and a little bed for your dog or cat. So cute. And this one has a lot of windows. It is on the ground floor, but they have this exact same floor plan on higher floors too, if that's what you like. So we're gonna step outside. If I can get this door open. Okay, here we go. All right, so you have, this is a corner one. A corner unit, they usually have the most windows, the most natural light. So once you open up those windows, you'll get all the light. Of course, this is on the ground floor, so we don't want everyone to see us. And you can fit a sectional couch in here. Very spacious. This is one of their larger 2 bedrooms, and it's amazing because you have one room on this side and one room on the other side of the apartment. This one is going to have 2 sinks. It's our larger bathroom, so our primary, and a walk-in closet is standard, of course. Love this with the built-in shelving. And you guys, please excuse my voice. I am sick as I'm recording this, so I sound a little rough. Oh my gosh, it has 4 bar stools. So this is a huge kitchen island. Of course, you have your dishwasher, your double door fridge, brand new appliances, plenty of cabinets since we don't have a pantry, but we have all the cabinets. And then you have bedroom number 2 over here on the opposite side. Looks like this is a side with more light. And you do have the option of painting if you don't want everything to be white. I see they painted this one because it's the model, but you will have to paint it back to white at the end of your lease so you don't get charged with a fee. So this one has a walk-in shower. All right, now we're heading over to the conference center, and it's so cute. If you're someone who needs more privacy, they do have those 2 rooms in the back with these sliding, or not sliding, the glass doors. And here is the clubhouse. The lights up here are so cute. Just a view from the outside. Didn't have the key to go in, but oh my gosh, it's so adorable. And here's the mail room where they also have Amazon package lockers. Keep your stuff secure. Love that. And here is the pool. So if you guys like what you see, make sure you reach out to me via the link below and I will send all the details. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.